What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video and welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Hemi Life. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, and I'm not sure how the thumbnail looks, but in today's video we are going to be working on the fuel pump. I just got this in this morning actually. This is the Walbro 525 LPH, whatever the hell it is, and the flow rate on this is high compared to the stock one. I wasn't able to use the Hellcat fuel pump that's over there because a lot of things were different on it, so I ended up going with this one. This is E85 compatible as well, but I'm not going to be going on E just yet. So I got the whole install kit. This is the wire that connects to over here, and then we gotta hardwire that into this connector. This is the old connector, so we're gonna snip this off. We're gonna hardwire it. We might just use this or we might solder it, depends. I got what I need. And then once that's that, we go back and install it into the car. So let's go ahead, get this wiring situation figured out, and I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Holy grail. Alright guys, so in the beginning, if I'm gonna even include that clip, I'm not sure. I was using the little crimps that they gave me, but I didn't like the way those turned out, so I went and I bought some shrink wrap, and I'm actually gonna be soldering them on. So let me get my solder out and some of this stuff right here. And we have a surprise visit from JJ.
What's up, guys?
So I guess he's gonna watch us and help us.
Yes sir, I'm right here.
And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and solder these wires together, put some shrink wrap on it, and that'll be a better connection for me, and I'll be happy with it. And then we'll go ahead and install it, so stay tuned. Get it, JJ? Woo! JJ getting busy in the back seat.
Alright, it's in.
Alright guys, so we ended up getting the fuel pump all in. Hold on, you gotta put this thing back on.
Yep, I got it.
Put that through. We ended up getting it in. We put the basket back in. We connected everything. And now we're done. We just put that thing in. As you guys seen, JJ getting busy in the back seat.
Yep, clip it in now.
Yep.
You know, it's got.
Clip it back in, and now we are done with the fuel. Oh, you mother. Is it this way or the other way?
This way, this way. You're good.
Yeah, it is this way.
Got it done the right way. Now you just clip it in, push it, and bop.
Boom. That's it. That's for the seat. This goes underneath.
The cover.
Oh, you mother. Good enough.
Yep, thing will cover it.
And we're done. So fuel pump is done. Let's move on to what else we're doing today. Alright guys, so we're moving on. Don't mind the messy hair. I don't really care about it this morning. But we're gonna go ahead and assemble the whole cooling system. We got our new fan, our new AC condenser, and our new Mishimoto radiator. So let's get this out of here.
Man, that shit looks clean. Open it. There you go.
Roll that out of here, and they give you guys some hardware, so we might need that. So let's open it up.
Turn that around for us real quick.
Let's see.
I want to see that big ass M right now.
You ready?
Yep.
You ready?
Yep.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
You ready?
Oh my god.
Sheesh!
That's clean. That's crispy.
Big ass.
I like that.
So everything, like I said, is brand new. And yeah, it sucks that this is gonna be covered anyway.
Yeah, but it's cool
by the
though.
AC condenser.
Yep.
But it's all right. So we're just gonna go ahead and start assembling the whole cooling system. But I'm not installing it in today's video because I am waiting on an AC line that I accidentally broke. Sorry. But we're gonna go ahead and assemble it. On top of that goes this AC condenser. How does this go? It goes like this.
Slide it in, leg up.
It goes like this. Oh, it doesn't have a. Only has
1, 2, and 3.
It doesn't have 4.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's car geek for you, bro.
Wait, what?
Yeah, you need to put clips right, like 13mm or 10, and then you use.
Okay, so whatever.
The clips, and then you got to tighten it with the 10mm.
Go ahead, do that, and then the other side, the fan goes on it, and then we'll put it to the side till we install it in next video. So let's go ahead and get this assembled, and we'll catch you guys in the next clip. Here we go. Okay. Alright guys, so as you just saw, we got the whole cooling system assembled, and in the next video we'll install it. So we're gonna go ahead and put that to the side. Look at that, beautiful. Shout out to Mishimoto, man. They came prepared. They gave us all the tools that we needed, I mean all the parts, and this radiator looks so badass. So we're gonna keep that for the next video whenever I'm ready, because I still got an AC line I need to install. But for right now, let's go ahead and remove the radiator support so I can paint that along with the rebar that I'll show you guys. Here we go. Alright guys, so me and JJ over here, we didn't put this on permanently. That's just sitting there right now. It's just sitting there. We were talking about intercooler and everything. We were planning everything out, but now we're gonna go ahead and get the radiator support off, because like you guys know, my car's a rebuilt title, all this paint chip and whatnot. This is the show car and it needs to stand to that quality.
So we're gonna bring it out, whatever. We're gonna scuff pad it. Yeah, we're
gonna paint it. So I just want to take it out so it can be more professional. I don't want to get overspray on in the background just like the old painters did. So yeah, this is gonna come back out. We're gonna paint that. We may or may not use the rebar again depending on the intercooler. Yeah. So we gotta do some research more about that. But right now we're just gonna take off the radiator support. I gotta take this out right there. Boom.
Alrighty then.
And then yeah, once we take off the radiator support, I'll catch you guys when I paint it, which isn't gonna be today. It's gonna be in the next couple days, but it's gonna be in this video. So
alrighty,
go ahead, JJ.
Okay. 10mm on the sides.
Huh? For these?
Yeah.
That's not on the support.
It is.
No, it's not. Oh, it might be, yeah. JJ knows what he's talking about.
That's cool. Yeah, that goes on the bracket. inside now.
Alright, it should just come out, right?
Yep, pull it up.
Let's get this, hold on, let's get this.
Here. I'll just
Just take off the whole latch, yeah.
Yep. 10.
Can you put the bolts all back in their place?
Yep, exactly. I got you.
And then I'll, or, I don't know, whatever.
These I can put them back. The others I can't because they're gonna be in the way.
Yeah,
Like right here, I can't put this back.
Yeah.
Not until I remove the radiator or the support. There.
Alright, come on, let's get this out of here.
No. Oh wait, no, hold up. Look, the fender. Pull it out like that.
Pull the fender out.
Yeah.
Okay, I can't do this one-handed, so. Up top over here.
Hold on, you're good. Like that. Is this some type of glue, dog? This is Bondu. Bondu's place right there.
Nice.
Holding it.
You wanna get the, let's get this back out the way so we can.
I mean, that's the thing.
Alright, hold on guys, hold on, we'll catch you in a second. Alright guys, radiator support is out now, thanks to JJ.
Yup.
And like I said, I'm not gonna be painting them today. I'm not gonna be painting the radiator support, as you guys can tell, all that paint chip and whatnot. And there's the rebar right there. I'm not gonna paint them today, so I'll catch you guys when I start working on them. Sheesh! Alright guys, here we are back at it again. We got my boy JJ Rebuilds and Daytona _297.
Sunny as hell, bro. Oh my god.
The lighting though.
Like I told you guys in the last clip, we are going to paint the radiator support and the rebar. So JJ is helping me out. He's just standing here, I guess.
Shit, I got business to take care of, bro.
Yeah. So right now, JJ just finished scuffing the whole. Are you done with all of this?
Yeah, I already scuff had all of it. Yeah.
All of it? He finished. He scuffed all of this thing. I might want you to re-hit this side just to be. Whatever.
Sure.
This radiator support is all scuffed. All scuffed, ready to go. Rebar shouldn't take him that much longer. And then, where's the paint? Oh, right here. We got this gloss red. It's called Sunrise Red. 2 of them just in case. You got some matte clear and some black. And you guys will see what we do. So let JJ finish, and I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Alright guys, as you can tell, I don't think I didn't. I got a new haircut. We
Yeah, homie dipped them butt and just glistening. Look at him with a fresh fade, looking like Justin Timberlake.
Shit, give him a walk around, bro.
Straight up fresh Filipino looking.
I'm back to my old self from like 3-4 years ago. Everybody wanted to see it. Nobody wanted to
No
see
more
it, guys.
beard. Shaved it.
Shit,
You
you
still
never
look
had one.
crispy
What
though.
you
Now you
talking
got the goatee right here going on.
But yeah, we got this first coat on the radiator support, and we got the first coat of black on the crack rebar. You guys will understand why I'm going with black over here, and you guys will understand in a future video why this part is not painted. I'm not gonna explain it right now because it's not important. But yeah, we'll finish it up and sheesh. Alright guys, so JJ and Amr just left, and I got the final coat of red on the radiator support. It looks so much better, and it's finally in one color. God damn. And then this one I did the final coat on that as well. So I got the final coat on both of these done, and I'll just come back to them tomorrow and spray some clear on it, let it dry, and put it back on the car. But that is going to be a wrap for today's video. I'll do that off camera. Let me show you guys something just to end the video off on a good note. We got our new 95mm Hellcat ported throttle body. I got that installed along with the spacer, and I did go ahead and cut this and cut that and got the intake for the supercharger on. So everything over here is ready to go. Once the radiator support and everything dries, put that back on, connect the AC line, connect the cooling system, and start custom fabricating everything for the intercooler. But like I said, that is going to be a wrap for today's video. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure you guys smash the thumbs up button, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys don't miss out on the next upload. It's been your boy Hemi Life, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.